First things first, I'm tired. Secondly, okay, we just got in here. First check-in spot is the Kwarleyz. I am going to do a review of all the places I'm going to stay for the next, I don't know how many days, 5, 6, whatever days. And we are just about to check in. We're asked to wait, and it's actually very comfortable to wait in here. It's like some mini lounge right from the entrance at the Kwarleyz. From here, the next spot will be MÖVENPICK, and then the Senchi, and Marriott, and the Golden Tulip. So these are the list of the best, ignore my phone, best rated places in Ghana that I found online, and I'm about to check them all out and see which one is my favorite. Until then, ignore my phone. Peace out. Let's go back inside and check out everywhere. That's a very big screen. We're good. And the bed. Thank you. Oh, it's actually nice. I thought I was going to break my back. But it's small. I'm not going to jump on it. That's embarrassing. Okay, I like the bed. That's it. Got a robe in here. So we have a fridge. I'm sure whatever. Glasses, wine glasses, and tea, coffee section, plates, an oven, microwave, hot plate. What else is here? Tea, coffee, whatever. And then utensils. So it's more, well, it's a studio, so do all the cooking if you want to. Nothing important. Sections. Really convenient, huh? And what else? For the lazy folks like myself. And a bin, nothing else, fire extinguisher. What is in here? Let's see. Okay, that's about it. We're good. Workout lifestyle, but hey, nothing stops anyone from coming to the gym. Moving on to the amazing. You know my favorite part is the food, and here we go. I'm about to try both because on the menu here we don't know which one to pick, but so far I'm really impressed with this place. It's my very first time and I must say I am impressed. So cheers. Awesome view. Come closer. Ignore the dirty window. Oh. Let's check out the back.
No, what you saying? You sweat. You train on the sweat, make your box out of it, you go to the sun, swim, then you come back again. Then you go to the spa, you get a good massage.
Oh, there's a spa down here?
Yes, a spa. The lady can take you around. Go for a swim and win.
Okay, but I'll be back though. I'm the resident, so I'll be back.
Okay, no problem.
Well, in my country, the weather does do a lot of difference. So for the heat sakes, you always need the poolside. Swift services, they give them roller skates at the poolside and the poolside. Some of us don't know how to swim, but hey, they are very low depth for us, so we get to enjoy. Anyway, let's do this. Hair washing therapy link attached in case you're interested. And from here we are heading off to the Sankofa restaurant downstairs to have dinner. I'm told tonight's the theme is international and local dishes, so hey, I'm feeling myself. So catch you on the flip side. Why not? Let's do this. See you. Good time, guys. So we got mixed selection for tonight. There's light soup, goat meat. There's rice and chicken. There's salad, pastries. Just because buffet is almost over and I don't want to go up and down, so I took everything in one shot. Hey, I'm hungry. No more videos. I think this place is beginning to be my most favorite place because there's always food. Let's go to breakfast. Breakfast down here in Ghana, we have something we call chibo. So it's more or less just putting the egg in the middle of bread and just taking a big bite. I'm sure white people call it sandwich. We call it chibo in my country. Good morning. We're very busy in the kitchen today. No, I think I no hands today. So this is how you make chibo. Bit of that. Please, this is my recipe. Nobody should come and chew me. Bon appetit. I don't need anybody asking me questions like how come she eats so much and she doesn't gain weight. Please, let us all respect ourselves and be in our lanes. Thank you. Waiting for waffles though.